How's it going, everybody? It's been a while, right? Life's busy as always. I've been pumping out lots of spoon blanks, delving into some of my own kind of adventures lately with coming up with new designs, carving these new designs, and kind of pushing the envelope of my own carving style, I suppose. Trying to branch out and see what I like and what I don't like, what I might want to offer in the future. And so because of that, I haven't really put much out on YouTube. Nothing probably in the last year, honestly. And I apologize for that, but I figured it was time to put out a short video. And in this one, I just wanted to kind of revisit the idea of hook knife sharpening. A lot of people I've been talking to online lately have been talking about how difficult it is for them, that they just can't get a sharp hook to get a decent finish. And while I've been selling batches of burnishing tools on Etsy, which will definitely help with getting a good finish, the first step is going to be sharpening your hook knife. And there's many ways to do this. Maybe not so many. There's a handful of good ways, tried and true type ways, but I only use one. You might call it right, you might call it wrong, but it's just, I'm putting it out there as the way that I do it. So basically I use these sharpening sticks that I make and sell in my Etsy shop, and they are super simple to use. I will film a couple minutes of me going from a very dull hook, which you see here, which probably couldn't hurt somebody if it wanted to shaving sharp and ready to cut wood and leave a glossy finish. Again, it's a very simple concept. It's as easy as just keeping one of these sticks level on the inside of this as you move along the length of the blade on the inside, and just maintaining that plane. Some people seem to think that, it's going to take me an hour per hook knife. And, if you've got some damage to it, it might. But if you're really just trying to bring that edge back because you've carved with it for an hour, or you've done a spoon or two with it and it's no longer shaving sharp, it's not leaving the finish that you like, or just not cutting as aggressively as you would like, then yeah, it's time to take the sticks to it and get that good finish going for you again. So I will, like I said, if you keep watching, I will just put up a couple minutes of my process, which is just using these 4 sticks, followed by a set of dowel straps. I don't make these, but you can buy these online or make your own. And we will see how that goes. I'll show how sharp it is afterwards. Maybe I'll do like a hair test and possibly just, a test of cutting some dry wood or something like that. So stay tuned. So I just got done showing how it's shaving sharp, which, you know, is a decent reference, but is not a definitive test of, you know, your hook knife being the best. So I figured I would grab a piece of roughed out walnut here, and since the contrast should be good when the light bounces off of it, we will cut into this, and I'll show you the difference in finish. You see that right there? That's how your finish should look when you have a sharp hook. I always recommend that, you know, people burnish their spoons because I believe that it gives you the best sheen that you can get. But this is, I mean, you could just use your hook knife and not burnish, and I'd be happy with those results. And this thing is silky smooth right here. You can see the border right there where it goes from dull to shiny. So there you go. Just want to show you guys how easy it can be, and the results that you can get when you take care of your hook properly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.